Okay guys, we're gonna be ready to make these wings. It's a pretty simple recipe. Doesn't take a whole lot, but it has tasty results. So basically what we're doing here is just spreading out our chicken over a cookie sheet with some aluminum foil over it, and we're going to be seasoning this chicken with some Morton seasoning salt, nature seasoning, and we're going to just liberally season it front, back, and side to side to where everything gets covered. So once we let these wings bake and they come out good to go, let me show you this real quick. Again, it doesn't take a really long time. We're just trying to get it to brown, and we wanted to get it to brown a little bit more. We're going to put it in the broiler on low. Now you need, if you're going to do it on high, you need to stay near the broiler because it can burn the chicken quick, fast, and in a hurry. But what we're trying to do is we're trying to crisp up the skin of the chicken to where we get the crispness that we want and we get the browning as well. So here we have the wings browned and ready to go. We got one more step, and that's to make the sauce. Here are the ingredients to make said sauce. Pretty simple, just mix them all in a mixing bowl big enough to where you can get all the chicken in there. And we're just going to basically give them a quick toss in the sauce. That rhymed, didn't mean that happened that way, but it did. So check the chicken out, browned up and ready to go, and we're just gonna make this chicken or chickens take a bath in the sauce and get them well coated. So we're just going to toss them in the sauce and they're good to go. Pretty simple wing recipe. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you try it. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Peace.
Hit that subscribe button. Press it, press it.